Perfect.
So the flower in the shoe is called a Columbine in English. It means dove, and its genus name is Aquilegia. It means eagle in Latin. So I wanted to pick a flower that kind of told the story about flight also. So I picked a flower that related to birds. So it was interesting na parang one flower could be called like two things. So you have like the predator, the eagle, and then the prey, the dove. So to me, that was like a story about good work ethic. I would rather be masipag than talented. I would rather be hardworking than talented. Kasi if you're talented but you're lazy, like, saan ka pupulutin? But like, hard work can take you really, really far. And like that flower is a reminder to me na parang it's one thing to be hardworking, but if you really want to push it, you also have to be brave. And you also have to be graceful. So that's what I try to keep in mind all the time.